recapitulation of the Little Match Girl first, and then we'll go with the poetry that the Patriots. And if time allows and permit, then we'll move further for the next poetry. Now here, first, Little Match Girl is basically a story about the theme which is reflecting is compassion and somewhere charity. It's a girl who is very poor, and father sent him for a. It's an that is Christmas Eve, and everybody is where everybody is busy in celebrating. This little girl has been sent by his father to the outside to sell matches, where she's selling them. She's trying to sell matches, but nobody, as a charity, helped that little girl so that she can also enjoy that Eve. And moreover, there is no name given to this chapter in this the girl. It's told about a little man because during the Victorian era this was the miserable condition of all the children there. Victorian age में सारे बच्चे उस वहाँ के जो इस पॉवर्टी लाइन पे थे वो इसी तरह से कहीं ना कहीं परेशान रहते थे, and they were being abused by the parents. So they were brutally killed, beaten by the parents to sell to earn money. So this is all about a little girl who came out to sell her matchstick because, and the thing is that if she doesn't go with some of the money, her father's going to beat her. So therefore she was barefooted. She had a pair of slipper which she somewhere, it was a slipper of her mother which somewhere she missed it out, and it was one was and somebody has taken her sleepers. ठीक है. Where is it? Hmm. I'm so sorry. This is about a girl. Now the main headline of this story is that she went in, it was a cold eve of Christmas night, and she went outside to sell the matchboxes, which matchsticks, but she was not able to sell it. And now it was bitterly cold. She was bareheaded and barefooted. These are the two words which is very important in this line, because she was simply having a very thin cloth and she was bareheaded, barefooted. This is very important. And she had been wearing slippers, which it was of her mother, which is bigger than her size. Okay. And then so she couldn't dare to move out back to home. So she found two buildings. There was a little gap between the two buildings. So दो building के बीच में she just tried to comfort herself. She just hid her both the feet under her legs, started litting the. Now the moment she lit the first matchstick, what happened? She got visions. Please be very careful for the visions and the significance behind the visions. If in your book, just page number 89, second paragraph, fourth line, if you can see, and burnt in a warm flame like a tiny candle when she held her hand over it, but was strange that it seemed to the girl as if she was sitting in front of a green. The first vision The first vision was the green stove. She could see a green stove sitting and off a front of a great iron stove, and polished with brass knobs with brass ornaments. The fire burned so beautifully and gave out such a lovely warmth. This is the first vision. And the significance behind the vision was because when she was moving around the street, she could smell the turkey and the roasted goose, which was all everybody was preparing in her house, and they were all enjoying their Eid. They're preparing themselves to enjoy the Eid. So that smell fascinated her a lot. उस स्मेल की वजह से उसे और भी ज्यादा टेम्पर्ड भूख लगने लगी थी, और वो बिल्कुल भूखी प्यास थी और उस ठंड में घूम रही थी, और वो उस स्ट्रीट पे घूम रही थी जहाँ पे सब जगह लोग अपनी ईद को एंजॉय करने के लिए डिफरेंट डिफरेंट वैरायटीज ऑफ फूड बना रहे थे. तो देन she could, and this I told you the story has a moral that the little that one is the poverty, second is the compassion, and third is the charity. Charity means people चाहते तो सब लोग अपने अपने functions में अपनी अपनी celebrations में इतने busy थे that did not even didn't care about the little girl who is just moving around. इन सबको पता था इतनी ठंड में एक बच्ची ऐसे घूम रही है, तो at least for the charities they should help. But वो वहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं किया. Second part, this name is not given in this story. इसको एक सिर्फ little match girl नाम से वो है. It means that this is the condition of during the Victorian age. सारे बच्चों की वहाँ पे कंडीशन ऐसी ही रहती थी. तो इसीलिए एक जनरलाइज करने के लिए विक्टोरियन एज के बच्चों को जनरलाइज करने के लिए उन्होंने एक नाम दिया द लिटिल मैजिक गर्ल, बिकॉज इट्स अ जनरल स्टोरी ऑफ ऑल द चिल्ड्रन देयर those who are suffering from poverty. Now, the first vision was a great iron stove with polished brass knobs and brass ornaments. The fire burned so beautifully and gave out such a lovely warmth. Oh, how wonderful that was. The child had already stretched her feet, and now why she was doing it, the significance again, the significance because she was feeling bitterly cold and she wanted her feet to be warm. तो इसीलिए पहला विजन उसका जो उसने मैच स्टिक स्ट्राइक किया था, जो पहला विजन आया वो था ग्रेट आयरन स्टोव with polished brass knobs and brass ornaments. Please stick to the words and please stick to the significance. विजन सीक्वेंस अगर आपका ये है तो आप ये मान लीजिए क्वेश्चन में आता है, सपोज आपको आता है कि उसके 4 विजन्स आपको करने हैं एंड यू हैव सम ऑफ द विजन और आपको 4 ऑप्शंस दिया हुआ है, तो उन 4 ऑप्शंस में सपोज जो राइट ऑप्शन हो वो आप करेंगे, क्योंकि आपका विजन पहला क्या था. तो पहला विजन उसका ग्रेट आयरन स्टोव था विद ब्रास नॉब. व्हाई शी हैज बाय द सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ दिस विजन इज दैट शी वांटेड टू कीप हरसेल्फ वार्म, बिकॉज वहां पे बहुत ठंड थी और she was freezing with cold. So the first vision was because she wanted to keep herself warm. She tried to stretch her legs and feet to keep herself warm, but the matchstick get vanished and the vision went off. Again, she struck other one, and then she had a vision of that she had a vision where the light fell upon the wall. The brick became the light, the walls, because she was just sitting behind, between two buildings. एक बहुत narrow सी जगह थी जहाँ पे वो घुस के उसके अंदर बैठी थी to keep herself warm, जो कि it was not helping her, but still उसको कहीं ना कहीं there was a hope, there was a faith in herself, मुझे कहीं ना कहीं कुछ मिलेगा. तो वो वहां बैठी एंड देन व्हेन शी स्ट्राइक ऑफ द सेकंड मैच शी हैड अ विजन दैट द वॉल्स ऑफ दैट बिल्डिंग बिकम वेरी ट्रांसपेरेंट एंड लाइक gaze she could see a light into the room where shining white cloth and spread on the table and covered with beautiful china, and in the center stood a roasted. The second vision is this. See again, you have to be careful with the lines. जो lines यहाँ पे लिखी हुई हैं, because you are this time you are going for the test, लेकिन जब descriptive answers आपके बोर्ड्स में आएंगे तो आपको यही लाइनिंग मेंशन करनी है. This second vision, first vision was gas stove because she was feeling very, she wanted to feel warm. Second vision was her, she was saw that the walls became transparent and she could see a table, a white cloth was laying on the table and the different kind of food was kept, especially a roasted geese with stuff with prunes and apples and which was seems to be very delicious. जहाँ पे वो उसको हाथ बढ़ाती है खाने के लिए, उसकी मैच स्टिक जो होती है और वैनिश हो जाती है एंड दैट ड्रीम गेट वैनिश. Again, she strike off for the another matchstick, and where she could see her grandmother. Sorry, Christmas tree. She sees a Christmas tree when she strike off the third matchstick. और जैसे उसने third matchstick, why Christmas? The significance of seeing this Christmas tree, that she also wanted to celebrate with the family. She also wanted to have fun with the family. तो ये third vision उसका होता है जिसमें वो एक Christmas tree देखती है, and then the matchstick vanishes, and then she could see again. She was feeling good. Again, she strike another fourth match where she could see the vision of her grandmother, the lady who was in her life who only loved her. विजन्स में होता है जैसे ही मैच की घुस जाती है विजन गायब हो जाती है, वो अपनी ग्रैंडमदर से इतना ज्यादा प्यार करती है, कीप ऑन स्ट्राइकिंग द मैचस्टिक so that the grandmother should not go away, and she just stretch her arms and ask her grandmother to take her with her, and happily grandmother took her in her hands and went off there, and the body of the girl just lying smiling on the both the bit of the building. और जब लोग सुबह उठते हैं तो एक बार ये रियलाइज नहीं करते हैं, जब उसकी डेड बॉडी को देखते हैं स्माइलिंग एंड with the smiling cheeks, she could see the burnt matches. तो वो सोचते कि इस लड़की ने अपने आप को गर्म रखने के लिए वो मैचेस जलाया, बट वो मैचेस ठीक है, शी वांटेड टू कीप हरसेल्फ वार्म, शी strike all the matches, but कहीं ना कहीं वो लड़की अपनी hope को भी जिंदा रखने के लिए वो matchsticks को on करके रखती है. She wanted to keep her all hope, and she has full hope and faith, and therefore she keep on striking the matchstick so that the vision should not go away. So this is all about the story, The Little Match Girl. Some of them have said that, ma'am, I have not done, you have not taught it. So any confusion related to this, anything which you want to know, so please raise up your hand. Otherwise, we'll move to the poetry. Anything? I am repeating it again. Co-vision. Yes, Manu.
And the last that girl was dead.
She died. और लास्ट when she last vision she strike off the matchstick, उसमें उसकी grandmother दिखती है, where she asked her grandmother, अपनी grandmother को देखती है, उसकी grandmother decision से ले जाती है. The soul of the little girl very happily went to the grandmother. And this is because until in the morning when people used to say when body of the little girl, they all keep her imagining that the girl was feeling cold, therefore she keep on striking. All the burnt matchstick was lying all over her near her body, so people just assumed that she was feeling cold, and these matchsticks was being burned by the little girl to keep herself warm. But the significance of this, that hope and the girl hope and faith doesn't die. जो matchsticks था वो लोगों को नजर में था कि उसने अपने आप को वार्म रखने के लिए इसको जलाई थी, but in fact she was a very hopeful girl with full of faith in God, that God will always will help me, and ultimately she was being held by the God, and grandmother took her in the heaven. So this is the end of the story. और ये सारे visions जो है significance, हर vision का अपना अपना significance है. Is I clear, Manu?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Manaswin, unmute yourself. Mute
Hello, ma'am.
yourself. Yes,
Ma'am,
yes,
how many scenes are coming in the test from Act 3?
all the scenes.
All the scenes. Okay, ma'am.
All the oh. So
Ma'am,
now is clear with yes.
ma'am, I have to ask one more
Yes,
thing,
ma'am.
ma'am. Ma'am, beside this girl, many other children are also like this.
No, it was not many other children. We are learning about one little girl, ना. लेकिन जो यहाँ पर इस chapter में उस लड़की को एक नाम नहीं दिया गया, because why name is not given, because with this they wanted the author wanted to depict the condition of the children during the Victorian age. ये जो story लिखी गई है वो Victorian age की लिखी गई है. तो उस समय जितने भी poor बच्चे थे और वो हमेशा से इसी तरह से पॉवर्टी को झेलते रहते थे, परेशान होते थे. तो दे वर टोटली अब्यूज्ड बाय द पेरेंट्स की उनको मारा पीटा जाता था कि घर के लिए कमाओ, पढ़ाया लिखाया नहीं जाता था, कि बहुत कंडीशन बहुत पैथेटिक थी. So therefore the name is not given in the story. ये चीज है. Suppose not in test, but in the descriptive question it can be asked why there is no name given to the chapter The Little Match Girl. So the answer will be there is no name because it was depicting the entire children of the Victorian age. It is depicting the life of entire children during the Victorian age. ये उसका आंसर होगा.
Yes, ma'am. Can you tell ma'am keywords of this chapter?
That is, I told you, charity. One people lack charity, compassion, and then the girl had hope and faith, extreme poverty. These are the keywords of this book. Niku has to ask. Yes, Niku, unmute yourself.
90, the last second paragraph, it is written that then she quickly struck all the rest of the matches and half a packet had been burned. How many matches had been burned?
She must be having many matches. She must be having many matches with her, so because she wanted to sell things. So given match boxes to sell. So most of the match boxes she strike to make herself to see the visions on. And when she died, the burned matchsticks and the new matchstick box both were there in her hand. matchboxes is not given and it is not going to be asked. Only the significance of the matchsticks and the matchboxes will be asked. ठीक है? Kritin. Yes, Kritin.
Ma'am, in the
Unmute
story The
yourself.
Little Match Girl, at a point it is said that the girl saw a star fall down from the sky, something like that. Does this signify her own death?
नहीं, that
Because that
signifies
grand-
because her mother somewhere must. उन समय बच्चों को ही कहा जाता था ना कि when somebody your loved one they die they become a star. So
Yes,
when
ma'am.
she strike her or she saw a star falling off, she imagines a grandmother. और फिर उसे अपनी grandmother का vision आता है and then she could see her grandmother smiling and looking at her. So she was the only person who loved her and she
Ma'am,
was dead.
ma'am, it is written here that her grandmother said that whenever a star falls, a soul goes up to the god. So, in this case, is this soul being implied to the girl?
Here in the line,
The
whenever
soul
star
implied.
falls, yes, it implies that a soul goes up to her mother as a when the star falls to somebody or has come to take you away. मतलब वहाँ पे कहते हैं ना कि जैसे कि star जब somebody somebody loved one is died and it converted to star और जब star टूटता है तो कोई ना वो नीचे आते हैं that soul comes out and takes somebody who they love. तो वो imagine करती है जब star गिरता है तो उसको लगता है कि अब मेरे भी जाने का वक्त है ग्रैंडमा के साथ जाने का. It's a time that I am also going. My soul is be going. So she just stretch her arms and ask her grandmother to take her to in the sky. वो यहाँ पर पहुँचती है. ठीक है.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, how does charity, ma'am came out this, ma'am, the keyword?
Charity is the keyword because I told you the Victorian age with the condition of the little girl. The condition of the
Yes, ma'am.
little girl was very poor. Condition of the Victorian age, the condition of children were very poor. तो वहाँ पे अगर हर कोई ये चैरिटी करता बच्चों की मदद करते तो शायद विक्टोरियन एज में जो बच्चे इतना सफर करते ना करते. So it is just to make readers realize that sometimes charity is very important. It can help somebody's life. इसीलिए charity
Yes, ma'am.
is an important word.
Okay, ma'am.
Nobody has to ask anything. Manu, mute yourself. Towards the patriot. You agree? Just raise your hand. That we'll go with the patriot. Okay. Come to the patriot. It is written by Robert Browning. Chapter Patriot. So now one thing very important. In your exam, in your test, the name of the author or the name of the poet can come, and the date of birth and date of death can come. So you have to. There are two poetry and two prose. You have to learn both the poet and the name of the author thoroughly. कि किस author ने कौन सी story लिखी है and the death and the date of birth of that poet. और उनकी एक दो काम मतलब एक दो writing that what kind of writing like for an example just it's a Robert Browning was an again and Victorian era's poet. रॉबर्ट ब्राउनिंग की सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट जो थे वो ड्रामेटिक मोनोलॉग होती है. ड्रामेटिक मोनोलॉग मीन्स once somebody telling about in herself or himself, that is dramatic monologue. Monologue यानी one person spoken by one person, that is your dramatic monologue. So the question might can come that Robert Browning was a dramatic monologue or something or as a poet or something. Many options could be given. उसमें आपको ड्रामेटिक मोनोलॉग पिक करना होगा. सपोज अगर ऐसा आता है या डेट ऑफ बर्थ ऑफ रॉबर्ट ब्राउनिंग एज ही इज बॉर्न इन 7th May 1812 which could give in 9th May 1820 and like this you have to go for a right option. तो ये हो गई यहाँ की बात. ठीक है. नाउ कमिंग टुवर्ड्स द पेट्रियट जस्ट थिंकिंग अबाउट हिज पास्ट. फ्लैशबैक में ये पोएम चलती है where he was thinking about his flashback about his a year ago, and अब जब एक साल पहले क्या हुआ था और उसके एक साल बाद क्या हो रहा था, so this is the thinking about the patriarch. It was roses, roses all the way with Marshall Mixon passed like mad. The house roof seemed to behave and sway. The church's spires flamed six flags they had a year ago on display. Means the poem is the poet, the patriot, after a year thinking about a year ago. कि जब एक साल पहले जब मैं किसी फंड में गया था तो मेरे साथ क्या बिहेवियर हुआ था. तो देयर ऑल द रोजेस एंड मार्टियल इज अगेन अ वेरी very rare flower which being all just thrown on the way of the patriot to welcome him, and the people were just overcrowded over the rooftops to just take a glimpse of that particular patriot, and people were happy, they were cheering up, they wanted to have look at him. No, so they were so happy at a year ago. So, and the church's spires flamed such flags they had a year ago on this, and they have decorated the churches with red flags to just show her victory, that they are very happy with the victory of the patriot. Second stanza, the air broke into mist with bells, the old world rocked with the crowd and cries. Had I said, good folk, Mary Roy's repels, but give me a sun yonder skies, they had answered, and afterward what else? In the second stanza, again, he is describing about the atmosphere at that time, that the bells were there, the ringing of the bells, and people were cheering, clapping, overcrowded over the वहाँ की वो हिल रही थी, इतना शोर हो रहा था, सिर्फ मेरे वेलकम के लिए इतना शोर हो रहा था वहाँ पे. Had I said good folk Mary, and then I said that this is only a noise for me which is repelling me, which is if not only this much, if I've asked them to bring the sun for me, so they are going to give me that sun. अगर मैं उनसे चांद सितारे सूरज भी मांगता तो मैं वो लोग मुझे ला कर देंगे. They had answered, और उसके बावजूद भी वो मुझसे यही पूछते कि और क्या चाहिए आपको. मतलब sun, giving out the sun was not enough for them. They would have given me whatever I have asked. Third stanza, alack, it was I who leaped at the sun to give it to my loving prince to keep. Not man could do, have I loved and done. And you see my harvest, what I reap, this very day, now a year is done. Now what happened? Alack means if I would have asked the people to give me the sun, the people would have given me the sun. But instead of asking the sun, alack, he's saying alack means alas. With a deep grief and sorrow, he said that I was the person who trying to get the sun. I would have asked the people, they would have given me the sun. But instead of asking the sun, I just wanted to leap at the sun. मैं खुद ही सन के ऊपर जा रहा था सन लेने के लिए, जबकि लोग मुझे खुद देने के लिए तैयार थे. तो यहाँ पे वो कहना चाह रहा था कि मैं the significance of giving the sun and taking the sun is this, that the people he become very over ambitious. वो इतना ज़्यादा over ambitious हो गया, इतना ज़्यादा over ambitious हो गया, but he had crossed the limit to do for the people. And what ultimately happened? The people now is just have changed their mind. He became over ambitious. उसने शायद ऐसा हर वो काम किया होगा which a person cannot do, which is very difficult to do, but still I have done. Means bringing out a son for myself was a easy for them to bring, but I might reaping at the sun. मैंने ऐसा तो उससे क्या हुआ? And you see my how what I reap this very day, now year is done. और मुझे क्या हासिल मिला, मुझे क्या रिवॉर्ड मिला? यही रिवॉर्ड मिला. क्या रिवॉर्ड मिला? There's nobody on the housetops now, just a palisade few at the window set. For the best of the sight is all allowed at the shambles gate, or better yet, by the very scaffolds to hide from. Now what happened? The people, जब people मुझे खुद ला के दे सकते थे, I became an over ambitious, and now people have taken it in a different way. और आज ठीक एक साल बाद उस रूफ टॉप पे जहाँ पे लोग इतने ज़्यादा ओवर क्राउडेड थे कि जो रूफ लग रहा था कि इट वॉज ऑक्सीलेटिंग, इट वॉज मूविंग टू एंड फ्रो. जस्ट अ पैलेस व्यू एट द विंडो सेट. सिर्फ कुछ पैरालाइज्ड पीपल हैं जो कि उनके पास और कोई काम नहीं होता, विंडो पे बैठे रहना होता. बस वही लोग हैं जिन्हें मजबूरी है कि वो कहीं मूव नहीं कर सकते. तो वही दो चार लोग मुझे वहाँ से खड़े होकर देख रहे. कहाँ एक साल पहले the people were over crowded on the rooftops and they have enjoyed my victory, they have cheered for my victory, and now the same after year the same day there is nobody on the rooftop, only few palace people are there. But the best of the sight is all allow. और लोग कहाँ भीड़ लगाएं, जहाँ लोग उसकी एक नज़र देखने के लिए भीड़ लगाएं. अब लोग शैम्बल गेट भीड़ लगाए हैं जहाँ पर फांसी दी जाती है, जहाँ पे लोगों को फांसी दी जाती है, वहाँ पर लोग जबरदस्त जानबूझ के आगे खड़े होना चाह रहे थे कि दे डू नॉट वांट टू मिस एनी ऑफ द साइट ऑफ हैंगिंग अप। उसको जो फांसी दी जा रही थी, तो जो लोग वहाँ पे खड़े थे वो नहीं मिस करना चाहते थे, वो दूर रह के मिस नहीं करना चाहते थे उसको। वो the last third line is for the best of the societies all allow at the shambles gate or better yet, मतलब shambles gate में लोग वहां पे एक दूसरे को धक्का दे रहे थे कि कौन सबसे आगे खड़ा होकर इस साइड को देखता है जब उस पेट्रियट को वहां पर फांसी दी जाती है। बट द वेरी स्कैफोल्ड फुट आई थ्रो, स्कैफोल्ड फुट यानी कि जहाँ पे फांसी दी जाती है तो वुडन प्लेटफॉर्म बना जाता है। आपने देखा होगा व्हेन देयर इज अ व्हेन somebody is being hanged till death, तो वहाँ पे एक वुडन प्लेटफॉर्म है ना जहाँ पे उसको रख के टांगा जाता है ना, वो प्लेटफॉर्म हटा दिया जाता है, द बॉडी गेट्स हैंग्ड अप। तो वहां पे ये सीन देखने के लिए वहां पे लोग आई थ्रो मीन्स आई थिंक वहां पे लोग इकट्ठा हुए थे मुझे देखने के लिए। तो फिफ्थ स्टैंजा, आई गो इन द रेन एंड इट वाज रेनिंग व्हेन पीपल वर ड्रैगिंग हिम टुवर्ड्स द शांति। इट वाज रेनिंग, कहाँ वहां ईयर अगो देयर वाज अ रोजेस इन मार्टल ऑन हिज डे एंड टुडे इट वाज रेनिंग। और उसमें भी लोग मोर देन नीड्स अ रोप कट बोथ माय रिस्ट बिहाइंड एंड पीपल हैड जस्ट यूज्ड हिम then required feel my forehead bleeds for the shing of whoever has a mind stone at me from my ears mystery. Or and he could make it out that something is his forehead is bleeding. Why? Because his hands were where the people are throwing roses and metal after a year, people are throwing stones at him. And what is happening with the stones? He could feel something is flowing down, and it must be blood. Why? Because it must be blood because he couldn't touch to his hand. He couldn't feel that his forehead is bleeding. And then he says that this is what I have received a year ago. मतलब आज से एक साल पहले जो मैंने क्या मुझे मिला था, आज एक साल बाद लोगों ने मुझे क्या दिया। Thus I entered and thus I go. In trumps people have dropped down dead, paid by the world what dost thou owe me good might questions now instead the God shall repay. I am safe. Thus I enter, thus I go. जहाँ मैं आया वहीं मैं आया, एक साल में आया और मैं जा रहा हूँ। But in trumps people have dropped down dead, or the people have made me. They are going to hang me. And I am very happy that I am going at a safer place. I ask God that what misdeed I have done, because people do not tell her what are the misdeed which he has done. Just people started giving him the punishment by hanging. लेकिन लोगों ने उससे ये नहीं बताया कि उसने गलत किया क्या है, उसने जो भी किया लोगों के लिए, because the patriot always has done whatever he has done in his life, he has done only for good for the people. साल बाद लोग आपके आंसर सुन के साल बाद आपके बारे में क्या सोचते हैं? This becomes the fickleness of the fickle-minded of the people. And then he said that I'm going to a safer place where I can get the answers of my questions. Whatever I have done, shall repay, and I will safer. So means whatever I have done, my God will answer me. My God will giving me my reward for the good deed, and I'm going to the government. Still, the patriot was very happy that still he was going to be hung, but he is going to be rewarded. मुझसे कहीं ना कहीं इसकी hope है, उसे faith है कि मैं जब मर के जाऊंगा तो I will be rewarded over there, because he had full whatever he has done for the people is that he believes in that whatever he has done is only for the goodwill of the people. This is all about the story, poem about the patriots, and this is basically showing the fickle-minded of the people. That people are so fickle is that once they will think about good, and at the other end they will think about you bad. So they the mind keeps on changing. This is the fickleness of the people, as well as being over ambitious. This happens, हम जब बहुत ज़्यादा खुश होते हैं, हम जब ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा काम कर देते हैं, तो हमारा क्या होता है कि हम ओवर एम्बिशियस हो जाते हैं, और ओवर एम्बिशियस में हम कुछ ऐसा कर जाते हैं जो कि हमें नहीं करना चाहिए था. So the theme is the public's fickleness, rise and fall of the glory and faith in. At the end, the poet was the patriot was had a lot of faith in the God. कि जब वो मर के जाएगा यहाँ से, तो he will be rewarded by the God. So anything we would ask about this poem? Please raise your hand if you have any question, any No one has to ask anything related to this poem. Very good. Let me see how many of you get good marks in your test. Nobody has to ask. I'm waiting. Look at the. It is about. Acha. Sir,
Ma'am, last paragraph, second line.
uh, last paragraph, second I got.
Ma'am, it
Me
comes
God might. Which stanza are you talking about? Sixth stanza.
yes, ma'am.
Me God might question. Now instead, this God shall repay. I am safer. So this is what the line you want to ask.
Yes, ma'am.
Me God might question means people did not tell her about the what wrong he has done. People just made him, accused him, and made him tied his both the wrists and taken to the shamble gate and started to hang over there, prepared him to hang. But they did not make her know that what wrong he has done. ज्यादातर क्या होता है लोगों की ओपिनियन बदल जाती है और हमें पता भी नहीं चलता है लोग मेरे बारे में ऐसा क्यों सोचते हैं सेम हैपेंड विद पेट्रियट तो ही सेड गॉड माइट क्वेश्चन नाउ इंस्टेड अब मुझे भगवान ही मेरे सवालों का जवाब देंगे कि व्हाई दिस हैपेंड टू मी when I have done good for them if I have done everything good for them and I tried to do good for them so why this kind of reward I have received why I am receiving this kind of behavior with the people this God shall repay. I am, or whatever I have done, I am going to be rewarded by the God. Because people had never understood my all the possible things which I have done for them, my good deeds for them. They couldn't realize. Now God knows that whatever I have done, I have done. हम लोग कहते हैं ना कि हम जानते हैं कि हम जानते हैं मेरा भगवान जानता है कि हम सही हैं हम जानते हैं मेरा भगवान जानता है that my soul is very pious I know and my God knows that I have not thought about this thing हम लोग ऐसा कभी कभी बात में बोलते हैं so same the patriot is saying the same thing कि I know and God knows that I am very honest and truthful for my countrymen my the country fellow and now God is going to answer my questions and God is going to give my the reward what I have done in this world so he's safer then at least he will get the answers to the questions over there यहाँ पे जो उसे नहीं मिला कम से कम उसे भगवान से पता चल जाता है so this is faith in God the theme this depicts the theme faith in God Devansh, unmute yourself. Yes.
A philosophy of life.
Optimistic philosophy of life means he has done so good deeds to the people. Still, the fickleness of the people made him drag him towards the shambles gate. Shambles gate where people are hanged till death. तो वहां पे ही उसको जब उसे ये पता चल गया कि now whatever good deeds I have done being I have become an over ambitious person but still people never understood so God is going to know me मतलब उसे उन लोगों पे गुस्सा नहीं आया he was not angry with the people he still shows his love for the people though people had given him punishment for though people is supposed to give them is the reward but people had punished him with this all these things they had just flew a stone at him and they tied the wrist it had been the people took him to hang till death at the shambles gate so these are the reward he received from the people which he shouldn't so this is shows the optimistic philosophy that now he's going to God now God is there he has faith in God and he knows that God knows that whatever I have done for my countrymen is for their well-being though they could not understand but God knows that whatever I have done for them this is shows the optimistic behavior and optimistic faith in God that yes whatever I have done I'll be rewarded on by the end so this is the optimistic behavior of the patriot ऑप्टिमिस्टिक क्या आपके साथ कुछ भी हो जाए आपके साथ कितना भी कोई गलत करे लेकिन आप हमेशा पॉजिटिव सोचते हैं तो लोगों ने उसके साथ कितना भी गलत किया लेकिन वो लोगों के बारे में पॉजिटिव सोचता है उनके इतना कुछ होने के बाद भी वो लोगों को दोष नहीं देता है वो यही कहता है कि हो सकता है मैंने कुछ किया हो लेकिन मुझे नहीं पता मैंने क्या किया so I'm going to get the answers of my question when I go through so this is the optimistic is it clear Aditya Aditya Mishra
Yes, ma'am. I want to ask, ma'am, can you please re-explain the second stanza? Yes,
second stanza third line
ma'am.
had I asked good folk Mary rejoice repels
Ma'am.
this shows that see I told you now when he was the big when people were cheering laughing clapping no, for the victory of shouting for the they was also celebrating the victory patriot. Okay, and when they were just on, they was ringing bells and the voices of the bell. तो वहां पे जो दीवारें थी ना, उस दीवारों से मतलब हिल रही थी वो दीवार. The old wall rocked with the crowd and cried. He said, "Good folk, Mary, this," and he says, "This is only noise for me." मतलब वो इतना shows that कि whatever उसने किया है वो मतलब being as a patriot उसका वो करने का what the word is can be said that this is what I have. I am a patriot and I am supposed to do all these things for the people. People are cheering for me, people are praising me, people are having wanted to have a glance at me. तो ये तो मेरा फर्ज था which I have done. Being a patriot, I so this is all the noise which is telling. मतलब ये मुझे शोर लग रहा है क्योंकि मैंने जो भी किया. जैसे एक डॉक्टर क्या कहता है, डॉक्टर से कहता है ना थैंक यू डॉक्टर, आपसे कहते हैं डॉक्टर रिप्लाइज वो दी तो मेरा फर्ज था, ये मेरा कर्तव्य था, तो मुझे करना ही था. Similarly, when the people were just welcoming him with all these noise, he says this is all sound for me, this is just it's all loud noise which is repelling me. मतलब मैं सुन नहीं पा रहा हूँ इतने शोर शराबा, मैं इतना इतना लोगों की विक्ट्री सुन नहीं पा रहा हूँ, बर्दाश्त नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ इतने शोर शराबा. This is what I had said, good folk, मेरी noise repels. ये मुझे noise जो है बहुत बहुत जोर की आवाज से मैं बर्दाश्त नहीं कर पा रहा. It's noise repels. But give me your or ask them to give their son, they would have given me the son and they would have asked me what else you want. Since people were so happy because of
Yes, ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, and also, ma'am, can you please tell the keywords of the little match girl?
Keywords is basically I told you, no, the charity, the first, the poverty, second, the third one value of compassion. Then there is faith, hope. These are the keywords. Depends on what a question being asked.
Thank you, ma'am.
Kushi Maurya, yes, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, you have told that the birth date or death date will come in test. If it is not given in book, then also it will come.
So if not given in the book, so I have told each and every poet and author I have given the date of birth and date of death. हर करने से पहले मैंने आपको यही है. ठीक है. काजल यादव.
Lines of fourth,
Fourth stanza last.
last two lines.
That is at the page number 33 at the Shambles Gate, or better yet,
Yes, ma'am.
at the Shambles Gate. Shambles Gate is the place where people just go and have a look when the people get being when the criminals are being hanged there, na? So people used to gather and see there. तो उस एरिया को कहते हैं Shambles Gate. Line for the best of the sight is all allowed. For the best side यानी कि जब लोग उसको देखने के लिए रूफ टॉप पे बैठे थे. The second stanza. Now अब रूफ टॉप पे कोई भी नहीं है, सिर्फ पैलेसी लोग यानी कि पैरालाइज्ड पीपल आर देयर एंड पीपल अब यहाँ पे पीपल आर गैदरिंग एंड दे वांटेड टू बी एट द फर्स्ट, ताकि वो जब फांसी की सजा दी जाए तो वो उसे क्लियरली देख पाए. मीन पीपल हैव सच अ हेट फॉर मी, दे आर सो हेटफुल फॉर मी दैट दे वांटेड टू स्टैंड इन द फ्रंट in the crowd so that they can have a good vision of my death. So at the Shambles Gate, or better yet, by the very scaffold foot, I drove. By scaffold foot यानी जहाँ पे आप जो फांसी देने के लिए जो प्लेटफॉर्म बनाया जाता है उसको कहते हैं स्कैफोल्ड. आपने देखा होगा वुडन प्लेटफॉर्म होता है, वहाँ पे फांसी के लिए पूरी तैयारी की जाती है. You have seen in pictures and serials and all. तो वो जो प्लेटफॉर्म होता है उसको स्कैफोल्ड बोलते हैं. स्कैफोल्ड फुट वहाँ पे रखा जाता है. फिर एक फांसी का फंदा होता है जो लोग लगाते हैं, वो वुडन प्लेटफॉर्म हटा के उस इंसान को फांसी देते. तो वो यहाँ पे ये लाइन. ओके मनु. Yes, Manu.
Ma'am, in the workbook,
Unmute yourself.
ma'am, in the workbook one question, ma'am, extract 3, ma'am, ma'am, fifth question is given. Ma'am, where is the speaker taken, why? And ma'am, third one is asked, state whether this action is justified. Ma'am, I want to know this answer, ma'am. State whether this action is justified or
Which
not.
एक minute. You are talking about the same patriot?
Yes, ma'am.
Which extract are you talking
Ma'am,
about?
extract 3, question 5, third part.
अच्छा. Where is the speaker being taken? Why and state whether this action is
Yes, ma'am.
justified.
Ma'am,
The
state whether
speaker, हाँ, the speaker hands were tied behind his back and he was dragged towards the shambles gate. ये तो पता ही है
yes,
आपको.
ma'am.
Probably he must have committed something, you know, grave. सब भी कुछ ना कुछ उसने ऐसा किया होगा जिससे कि लोगों को भी
Ma'am, it
thought
was
उससे.
the fickleness of the minds of people.
हाँ, तो he must have done something. ऐसा कुछ ना कुछ हुआ होगा तभी तो fickleness हुआ ना people में. They change their views. जहाँ
Yes,
पे लोग
ma'am.
इतना उसको प्यार करते थे, obviously ऐसा किया होगा कि लोग उसकी तरफ से नजरिया अब लोगों का बदल गया. But
Yes,
the
ma'am.
patriot himself doesn't know that what misdeed he has done. But people know that he has done something wrong, which is clearly not mentioned क्योंकि यहाँ पे ड्रामेटिक मोनोलॉग है और स्पीकर को खुद ही नहीं पता कि उसने क्या गलत किया. उसके हिसाब से उसने सब कुछ अच्छा किया और लोगों की भलाई के लिए किया है. लेकिन लोगों का यहाँ पे कुछ लिखा नहीं है, so it's not clear what misdeed he has done. तो लोगों के हिसाब से actually he must have done something else. The thought of the people have been changed for the patriot.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
so we cannot justify. तो हमें तो पता ही नहीं है कि उसने अच्छा सही काम किया या गलत काम किया. तो जो एग्जीक्यूशन उसको मिला, according to it's not, we cannot justify that accordingly. क्योंकि
Ma'am,
हमें पता
ma'am, can we write here, ma'am, it is not justified.
है. तो यहाँ पे आप लिखेंगे ना, but the poet does not tell the misdeed the speaker did. The poet did not tell कि उसने क्या गलत किया, पेट्रियट ने क्या गलत किया, ये तो पोएट ने लिखा नहीं है वहाँ पर. तो
Yes,
so
ma'am.
it cannot be determined that the execution is justified. तो हम इसको बता ही नहीं सकते. We cannot tell about that the execution which has been given to the poet to the speaker is justified or not. हम justification दे नहीं सकते because we are not aware about what is. अगर वहाँ पे स्पीकर ने लिखा होता कि पोएट पेट्रियट ने ये काम किया था जिसकी वजह से लोगों का व्यू बदल गया, तब हम अपनी जस्टिफिकेशन दे सकते हैं. लेकिन यहाँ पे स्पीकर ने कुछ भी नहीं लिखा है. So we will just simply write that we are not able to determine that the execution is justified or not. ठीक है? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Unmute yourself. Anything else would you like to ask? Anyone? Ashray? Nothing to ask? I know Ashray has not raised hand, but still. Nothing to ask? Kalrav? चलो ठीक है. Let's move to the next poetry.
Ma'am,
That is your.
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in extract fifth, ma'am, question third, ma'am, ma'am, the speaker says I am safer. So, ma'am, when does he feel safe, ma'am?
When he was hanged, when people rewarded. See what the people have rewarded people. Whatever good deeds he have done for the people, people rewarded him with and hate and death instead of love and honor. जहाँ पे उसे love and honor मिला था, वहाँ पे लोगों ने उसे hate and death किया. So now God is going to reward him because he knows and God knows that whatever he has done for the countrymen is only for their well-being. तो जो लोगों को नहीं समझ
ma'am.
में आया, तो he will be rewarded there. He will be safer there because he will get the answers of his questions. As well, whatever good and bad he has done, he will be rewarded over there, and that will be the justified reward by the when he will be rewarded by the.
Yes,
क्योंकि
ma'am,
यहाँ
he
पे
will
लोग.
get the answers from God only.
Yes, and therefore he will be rewarded after that. The answer what?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, there is one more question, ma'am.
Hmm?
Ma'am, by giving two examples, show that the poem depicts the sudden rise and fall of the glory of man. Ma'am, what will be
Which
the
question
ma'am?
is this?
Ma'am, extract fifth last question.
Sure. Sudden rise and fall is this again. A year ago he was being welcomed by the people with roses and myrtle, and there was a lot of sound of bells and mist and the victory so they were all everything. Was the rise of the, and again after a year is all glory just fades down when the people just with a hatred. This is a sudden rise and fall of the. एक साल बाद उसी दिन लोगों ने इस
Yes,
प्रोसेस
ma'am.
को
So hatred welcome.
हाँ Shall we move towards the next poetry? If you agree, please raise your hand. No one has to ask anything. Okay. Chalo. We are moving towards the nine gold medal, which is again a very simple poem.
Yes, ma'am.
Now here the nine gold medal. The basically nine gold medal is written by David Frost, born in 54, and this is again a poem which is David Frost is the witness of this entire poem, the entire the scenario of the poem, where he has talking about the Special Olympics. Special Olympics is the Olympics which is organized for differently abled people. So these differently abled people has come from so many countries. They come from all over the world. All over the world means they have come from many of the other countries just to participate, and all of them with an aspiration of winning of a medal. At least everybody was aspired to win a medal, and they had trained themselves for weeks and months, and they have built for the building of the game for this Olympic. They have trained themselves for several months and several weeks, just with an aspiration to win that gold medal. And all over the spectators were very excited. They were very full of enthusiasm watching these people games. And it was this was a major event, and the last event was the major event, and the last event was the 100-meter race. When its loudspeaker, the names were called for the 100-meter race, and with the poise of the gun, with the sound of a gun, they start their race. The moment they start their race, the other eight runners just taken off for the race. Amongst them, the youngest one, the ninth athlete, just stumbled and staggered and fell on the ground, and he gave a loud cry. And one by one, those who have already taken off for they all turned up. The moment they heard the voice of that person, they all turned up, and one by one they came up back and helped and just took hold that lad, and they all converted that race by a walk. They all took hand in hand and walked. This was a miracle happened there, because people never, when they go for a game, they just keep away the values at a side and then go for competition. But here, with all nine athletes with an aspiration कि मुझे जीतना है, मुझे जीतना है, वो सारे nine athletes को बस जीतने में एक ही, लेकिन अपनी जीत के आगे they did not keep the values aside. They realized अगर मैं गिरा होता तो क्या होता, मैं गिरा होता तो क्या होता. हर गिरे हुए इंसान को लगता है कि वो अगर वहाँ पे रेस में गिर जाता तो यही सोचता कि मैं होता तो मुझे लगता कि मेरे को हेल्प करने नहीं आया. So इस feeling के साथ everybody turned up. They took that boy, they lifted that lad and they're on their feet, and they all started the race with a walk and completed 100-meter race with a walk. Seeing this scene, the entire spectators, entire people, those who were witnessing this, they were all cheered, clapped, and gave a standing ovation to all the nine athletes. And at the end, these nine gold medals stand with all the nine athletes got a medal. Not for a winning a game, but for showing the values of compassion there, and compassion and empathy in their game during the games. So this is all. Here, anything you need to. This is very simple, and yes, this the Olympics could have been nearer the mark. जहाँ पे उसको स्पेशल ओलंपिक्स इसलिए दिया जाता था कि बिकॉज दे आर डिफरेंटली एबल्ड, इसलिए उनको कोट किया जाता है स्पेशल ओलंपिक्स. But Special Olympics actually prove them that they are special, they are different from others, because they have been when they are participating and when they are going for a job, they had taken the value of compassion and empathy with them. हम अगर normal human beings होते तो we never thought about compassion and empathy for the people, but there during the game especially. So they show the empathy and the compassion for each of the contestants. Therefore, the person nearer the mark in Special Olympics, they have proved that yes, they are special. That's how the race ended with 9 gold medals and all. They came up to finish line holding hands still, and the banner above the 9 smiling faces said more than these words ever. So this is all about. This is very simple, but you have to remember क्या हुआ था and the keywords of the event. Anything would you like to ask? It's 3 minutes left. I don't think so. There is anything to ask in the Sakiba has to ask. Yes, Sakiba. Hello. Where is she gone? Nothing has to be asked. I don't think so. There is anything to be asked. Sakiba, you want to ask?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sakiba.
My question is from Merchant of Venice Act.
Merchant of Venice Act बताओ. I have not carried my book with me. चलो कुछ तो बताओ. Sakiba, yes. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ पूछो.
Ma'am, ma'am, in one question it was written that what did Bassanio got as reward after choosing the right casket? So, ma'am, answer would be only Portia or her wealth also.
Where this question has been asked?
Ma'am, in Act 3, ma'am, I don't remember the scene.
चलो it's a scene 1. जहाँ पे scene it must be scene 2 because
Yes, ma'am, maybe.
obviously her wealth also, no? Her wealth also. No? Because she said no that you have become my lord and the lord of the spendthrift, lord of the servants. So she got all the not only Portia but he got all the wealth which is related.
Ma'am, we have to mention wealth, na?
Everything you have to mention because now clearly she gave a ring and with that ring she said that you are the lord of this mansion and you are the lord of mine, the mansion, the servant, everything which belongs to me not belongs to you. You are the lord.
Thank you, ma'am.
You have done. Anyone else would like to ask anything related to your poetry? I don't think the next class से पहले आप लोगों का टेस्ट नहीं जाएगा. Probably it will start in the September. To ask because it's already 5:59. 1 minute. Meeting will be. No, nobody has to ask anything. Just raise your hand that everything is clear. If we get before the class, if we get the class, we'll go with prose. One more prose that is left. My greatest Olympic. I think यही मैंने दिया है ना. So just give your agreement that I should leave the meeting.